Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. P. Today I'll actually just be showing you a really smooth strategy, right? Which is actually what they call it now, our bullish channel strategy, right? Now I'm actually just going to be showing you how this particular stuff actually works now. There is actually a trade that I'm about to go in using this particular strategy. Now the thing is this, guys, what I'm actually trying to show this is I actually received a lot of comments saying that I should drop more analysis videos and things like that. So we'll actually just be analyzing this chart now very fast because the chart is moving. So we'll just be analyzing this chart very fast and just try going into the trade and just see how it actually goes. Now this particular strategy I will be using is actually gotten from the book. That's the what they're calling it now, the 21 ultimate strategy. So if you've not gotten your copy, you can simply just get your copy. So remember, in this place we actually drop free robot indicators and other crazy strategies that you can actually use to mine from the market crazily, just like that. So that's just how it goes, guys. So let's not waste so much time so we can be able to catch this movement. Let's check it out now, guys. Okay, so this is actually what we're having here at this particular spot. This is what we're having. So we're actually having a nice channel at this particular spot, just like that. So if we actually check this stuff, then we should be having something like this, right? So this is actually a really nice channel, right? Something like this. And then it's actually going like this, right? It's actually going like this, so that now we're expecting this guy to actually push below this, right, and drop down. That's just what we're actually expecting because it's coming from this direction. You can see that, right? This is actually a a smooth a smooth bullish channel, right? When we say bullish channel or an ascending channel, it means that the chart actually wants to start dropping down. So that when we're actually having something like this, we actually know that for a channel to be complete, it needs to have a minimum of 3 to 4 touches, usually 3 touches, so that we're actually having the first one here, that's the second one here, and it has completed the third one. That's why I was trying to rush on this video. And now the fourth one should be maybe around this spot. Right now the fourth one might not happen, but it looks like it wants to happen. So this is actually on a 1 minute time frame that I'm actually analyzing this stuff, because we'll actually just be doing a very short scalp. We'll just be doing a very short scalp. So I will just try going into the trades now. And we simply just continue from there. So my stop loss will just be around the fourth touch, around the spot. I'll just place my stop loss around that spot, just like that. So that's just it. Now I'm actually looking at around the spot, just above where I'm actually having my stuff here, just above this particular spot here. So because I don't want it to like cross above that. If it crosses and hit my stop loss, it's fine, no big deal. If it crosses and hit my stop loss, no big deal. But I'm actually just watching the stuff if it goes above that place. But then that was the fourth touch that it actually hit. This is the first, the second, the third, and it didn't really complete the fourth touch. Usually it just starts dropping from the third touch. That's why I was trying to rush just now. Usually it just starts dropping from the third touch. What we just do now, I'll just try pausing this video, and then we just come back and actually see. So looking at this stuff again, this is actually what we're actually having at the spot now, right? This is what we're actually having. Now, remember, on this particular spot, I'm actually using just about 10% of my capital. I'm actually using like 256 bucks here, right? This is actually someone's account. We're actually using like 256 bucks here. It's actually a small account, right? Which is just roughly like 10%. So we're risking just 10% margin of the particular stuff, and so that this particular stop loss here, even if it had pushed up to hit our stop loss, we would have lost, let's say, like 25 bucks from this particular account, right? So we're actually trying to use enough risk management here because we don't want to be trading just like that. Okay, so that's just it now. So if you actually notice at this particular spot, it has actually broken out, right? The channel has actually broken out just like that. I told you already before that when a channel is formed, this is exactly what happens, right? This is exactly what happens. Now the stuff pushes around the spot. After that, it simply just it simply just pushes out of that particular place and start dropping down just like that. Usually they are like up to like 3 touches. Usually that's the first. You should see the first touch, that's the second touch, and then the third touch, right? Remember this 1 minute time frame, right? And then the fourth one, it actually didn't really get to our fourth touch before dropping down, but usually it drops on a third touch, usually most of the time. So immediately as you see a bullish channel like this, what we're actually expecting is for this guy to start dropping down just like that, crazy like that. So what we're just going to do now is we'll actually just wait a little longer. And then we'll just continue. So what we're actually having here now, we're actually having having like roughly 770 or so that we're actually having at this particular spot now. If you notice, this particular stuff is actually dropping down really crazily, just like that. It's actually dropping down. So what I'm actually looking at for now is this. I'm actually just trying to look at for what do we call it now? I'm actually just trying to look at for it pushing up, that's retracing up, and then closing what do you call it now, and then crossing my higher highs. Right now, this is actually my previous higher high, and then this one formed, and then this one formed. So this is actually my current higher high. Right now, if it actually pushes and crosses above my higher high, right, it means that I'm out of the trade. Right, it means that it wants to perform maybe a funny retracement and rest. Remember, I'm actually trading this stuff on a 1 minute time frame, right, on a 1 minute time frame. So any funny retracement or something means that we should actually leave the trade. So we'll just be waiting for a few more minutes. I can keep on with this video like that. So what I will just do is I will just pause this video again, and then we'll check it out again. Okay guys, so this is actually what we're having. So I kind of like almost lost track of the chart here, because I was looking at other charts also, but then like it actually pushed above this my just okay, almost above this my previous higher high that was actually at the spot. Is actually almost push above it, but it didn't, so it starts dropping like this. So when you see a formation like this, something being rejected so much like this, what you're actually expecting next is maybe another crazy push up or something like that, because now what it actually formed here is actually a flag. It's not so visible, it's a bearish flag. It's not so visible because it's on a 1 minute time frame, but when you always check the chart and the rest, you should be able to recognize it also just like that. But this is actually what was formed here, a bearish flag, and now you can actually see it dropping like this. So if you've not gotten that my book, you can simply just get the book. The link to get it is actually on the description box there. Also, you can simply just get that, and you can also simply just practice this particular stuff just like I showed you. You see a bullish channel, you know it's dropping down just like that. It hits your third touch, it's dropping down, or it hits your fourth touch. Usually when it goes above your fourth to your fifth touch or so, it might change and start going up. So you don't want that. So you want to put your stop loss just right above that spot, just like that. So guys, that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. So we can actually just simply close this trade now, so that after closing we'll just be having about 965 at this particular spot, just like that, about 965. So guys, this particular stuff is actually not too complicated, right? It's actually not too complicated. You just have to like just catch the channel when the stuff is actually about to push. Right now, this is actually an example of how the bullish channel actually works. Right, I received a lot of comments saying that I should drop more analysis videos. That's why I'm actually dropping this. Right now, this particular channel is actually bullish. There's also a bearish channel, which is just the opposite. So when you see a bearish channel or what they call a descending channel, what you're actually expecting is actually a huge push to the top, just like that. And then at this particular spot, this is actually a flag also, right? This is actually a flag, not so visible because it's on a 1 minute time frame, because the fluctuations are very minimal and very fast. So that's why it's like this. But this is actually a bearish flag also, guys. That's just how this particular stuff actually goes, guys. So this video was kind of like stressful, so trying to like pause and go on and pause and go on, but that's just how this particular stuff goes. Just make sure you actually practice how a bullish channel actually works, right? So if you practice that and you're able to catch such movements like that, you would just actually be smiling all the time. Right now, I actually use this stuff to run a quick scalping, because this video shouldn't be so long or something like that, but you can actually use this stuff even far better on higher time frames, like your 4 hours time frame, your 1 hour time frame, your 15 minutes time frame, just like that. You can actually use it on any time frame, just like that. So guys, that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. So on this place, we actually give out different free robot indicators that you can actually use to mine from the market crazily, because we have a lot of the stuffs that are automated already that you can simply just start up and it's just working automatically, just like that, without you doing anything at all. So we actually have free robot indicators that you can use directly from your mobile devices and directly from your PC also, just like that. So guys, that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. So yeah, just remember to hit on the subscription button, guys. Remember to hit on the like button, and also turn on the notification bell, and also share this video so others can actually gain access to this particular video, just like that. And remember to join our Telegram channel. The link to our Telegram channel is just down below. So that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. It's a bye from me, guys. I'm Mr. P, guys. Peace.